students work at home, the teacher would be able to determine, to identify, to see that somebody is entering and doing the work for the students. So we are able to maintain the integrity of the work of the students and lesson aid for teachers. So the program is our commitment to providing cutting-edge education and preparing our students for future challenges and opportunities. It is implemented as part of the school's broader educational strategy to incorporate technology and digital literacy across the curriculum. It is tailored to align with the school's existing educational framework, ensuring a seamless integration of new technologies into the learning process. So the program is designed to cater to students who are at various levels, with emphasis on hands-on learning, problem solving, and collaborative projects. I forgot to mention that in the beginning, when we implemented the STEM, the robotics was taught within the science and the math subjects. But eventually, we decided to offer a separate robotics subjects because when we sat down and assessed, we found out that the teacher would either put lesser weight on science or math because it's the greater time is spent on robotics, or maybe the other way around. So I told the teachers that should not happen. So we decided to separate the robotics from the math and science, although in the overall program, they are integrated. But in terms of time slot, may specific time talaga for robotics. This is the school's significant step towards our journey to digital transformation in education in the classroom, in the subjects, with the Pythanoids. This is a reflection also of our dedication to embrace innovative approaches in the teaching and learning process, ensuring that the students are well equipped with skills and knowledge that are necessary to be able to thrive and navigate, not just survive, but navigate in the digital era.